幫貴福特跑馬啦。
係啦，嚟到香港啦，重逢，咁亦都好多合作嘅。贏到呢場莎莎婦女銀袋啊！先睇呢場嘅預計派彩啦，跑第一名呢14號安裕到贏79個半，位置30蚊；跑第二名3號越進歡欣，位置36個半；跑第三名5號智取神區，位置78蚊啦；跑第四名係6號陽光勇士。連人位3搭14派431蚊，二重彩14號3號順序派1104蚊，三重彩14號3號5號順序派29655蚊，單 T 派6511蚊。位置 Q 3搭14派110蚊，5搭14派454蚊啦，3搭5派507蚊。4連環預計派彩3號、5號、6號、14號派16447蚊，咁有多寶啊，好分啲。4重彩預計派彩啦，14號、3號、5號、6號順序派384379蚊。
恭喜晒安裕，捧走今屆莎莎婦女銀袋。
其他馬可能有遠大目標，未有十足啦。安裕就真係好 fit 啦，已經有輕磅。我以為今季田泰安冇凳都唔緊要啊，呢場都用翻啲招啊，見嗰啲一路坐安啊，摁落去啊咁。
因為本身以往呢行都係佢殺着嚟嘅。
銀袋頒獎儀式現在開始。Ladies and gentlemen, the trophy presentation of the Sasa Ladies Purse will now commence.
各位馬迷大家好，今屆莎莎婦女銀袋嘅得主咧已經誕生啦，就係由安裕咧係勝出噶，而佢亦都係咧繼2023年之後再次勝出呢一場嘅賽事噶。Congratulations to Encountered winning the Sasa Ladies Purse。喺呢個時候咧，我哋有請本會嘅遴選會員兼馬主郭林廣先生嘅女兒郭展容小姐，係將銀碟頒發俾勝出頭馬安裕嘅馬主黃賢信噶。Miss Georgiana Kwok, daughter of Miss Larry Kwok, a voting member and a horse owner of the club, is now presenting a silver dish to Vincent Wang Yinshun, the winning owner of Encountered. 恭喜晒！跟住落嚟，我哋有請勝出騎師田泰安，就係將名貴嘅手袋係致送俾郭展容小姐。The winning jockey Karis Titan is now presenting a purse to Miss Georgiana Kwok。好啦，跟住咧，我哋就有請郭小姐咧，將一枚以係錢包盛載嘅金幣咧，就頒發俾幾位啦，包括係勝出頭馬嘅馬主黃賢信先生嘅代表黃小姐、練馬師貴福特以及係騎師田泰安嘅。And now Ms. Kwok is going to present a gold coin contained in the wallet. First of all, to winning owners representative Ms. Wang, and next presenting to trainer Brad Crawford. Trainer Brad Crawford, please. And now we're going to present to winning jockey Karis Titan. Congratulations. And thank you, Miss Kwok. 嗱，跟住落嚟，我哋有請莎莎國際控股有限公司嘅主席及行政總裁郭少明博士，就係將紀念杯咧致送俾馬主黃賢信先生嘅代表，我哋有費先生代表接受。Now, Dr. Simon Kwok, Chairman and CEO of Sasa International Holdings Limited, is now presenting a commemorative trophy to winning owners representative Mr. Fay. Thank you。跟住我哋有請莎莎國際控股有限公司嘅副主席郭羅桂珍博士係將紀念杯致送俾練馬師貴福特。And now Dr. Eleanor Kwok, Vice Chairman of Sasa International Holdings Limited, is now presenting the commemorative trophy to winning trainer Brad Crawford。Thank you, Mrs. Kwok。好啦，最後我哋有請莎莎婦女銀袋日嘅形象大使高海玲小姐咧，就係將紀念杯致送俾騎師田泰安嘅。And now Miss Samantha Ko, Sasa Ladies Purse Ambassador, is now presenting a commemorative trophy to winning jockey Karis Titan. Congratulations！ 好啦，呢個時候咧，我哋就有請田泰安咧，將好靚嘅花束致送俾幾位嘅女士啊，分別就係郭展容小姐、郭太，以及係高海玲小姐嘅。And now, of course, beautiful bouquet to our guests, Miss Kwok, and now Dr. Kwok, and last but not least, Miss Samantha Ko, our ambassador. 好靚，靚花背，靚女。喺呢個時候，我哋當然影翻張大合照啦。And now is the great time for the group photo. Well, we got a lot of media friends today, so why don't we just look at all the way to the front first? 我哋先望下正前方嘅相機啦。今日有好多嘅傳媒朋友到場下，多謝晒正前方。And now let's look slightly to your right-hand side, everyone. And to your left-hand side， 又望一望左手邊啦。To make sure we all got perfect photos for everyone。好，唔該晒。喺呢個時候咧，莎莎婦女銀袋嘅頒獎儀式咧，亦都圓滿結束㗎啦。再一次恭喜晒勝出頭馬嘅馬主、練馬師同埋騎師嘅。Congratulations once again to all the winning parties. And this is the end of the trophy presentation. Good luck. Bye bye.
好啦，再一次恭喜勝出嘅馬主同埋騎練啊！臨尾鬥得相當之精彩，短兵相接。巴道呢亦都發揮得好好，吸制咗右禮啦。巴道個成日自己講都唔記得咗揀添啊！咁啊〜